Hi mga kabudgetarian! Welcome back to my channel. We have very exciting episode today because today I'm going to share to you guys secrets to luxury bag shopping on a budget. Hi mga kabudgetarian! Ron Ramiro here, your suking budgetarian fashionista. I vlog about fashion, shopping, luxury bags and accessories, travel, lifestyle, anything fun. So if any of these contents interest you guys, I'm happy to invite you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 so you could get daily updates coming from me. Alright, so like what I mentioned, super exciting episode today because of course, I'm sure every one of us, including myself, you know, we love shopping and definitely we love to shop luxury bags. But of course, our problem is luxury bags is really expensive. It comes, you know, with a hefty price. That's why, you know, sometimes as much as we wanted to buy these very beautiful bags, of course we have to consider the budget that we have. But that's why we are going to discuss this very interesting vlog episode for today, which I just also recently discovered, and I am very happy to share that to you mga kabudgetarian, because of course we would want to be able to get these very beautiful luxury bags, and of course without breaking our bank. So are you ready guys? Because we are going to do online shopping from these very truly loss-worthy brands such as Chanel, Dior, and of course Louis Vuitton. Alright, so let's go to chanel.com. So the very first secret that I wanted to share to you guys for you to be able to snatch these amazing beautiful bags for a fraction of price is, number one, go to the section of small leather goods. So that's what I did for chanel.com. So if we're going there, so because why go to the small leather goods? Because with the small leather goods, the prices of these bags are not as hefty compared to their actual sizes. Like for example, the flap bags. The flap bags are, or especially the classic flap, are super expensive, and I feel honestly I won't be able to own a brand new one because it would cost you an arm and a leg. For my top bags for under the small leather goods section at Chanel, so let's start with the small vanity chain bag. So the price of this one is $1,800. So this one, guys, again, disclaimer for the prices, since we are visiting US website, there may be price difference here in the Philippines because of duties and taxes. So for this one, when I saw the small vanity with chain of Chanel, promise guys, my jaw dropped. I really love this bag because as you know, as you can see how much I love vanity bags. Although this one is small, but for me, I'm okay with it because I feel with the price point, honestly with the price, I was really surprised, and I felt that having this price point of $1,800 US dollars, then definitely I would have a chance to own a brand new Chanel bag under a new collection. So this one is made of lambskin and gold tone metal white shoulder strap there. Next on my wish list is another vanity bag from Chanel. So this one, just to show you size wise compared when worn by a model. So this one, so you can see the difference of this one from the very first vanity bag. This one comes with a top handle. So let's see a small one. The first one is the small vanity with chain, and the price is $1,700. The dimensions in centimeters is 4.7 by 4.5 by 2.5 centimeters, or is it in inches? Anyways, it comes in 3 different colors. So it has the white, silver, and the pink one. So of course, I definitely am gravitating to the silver one. But let's see more of this very beautiful bag. So if you are going to notice this bag, I love the details of this bag. another vanity bag, but the difference is like what I mentioned from the very first one, this one comes with a handle. Although I'm not really sure how much or what essential items of yours could fit here, but look at this one, the closure, the zipper. One closure comes with, you know, the leather material, and one comes with the Chanel CC logo. It looks really cute, guys. OMG. There, and again, price $1,700 US dollars. Wow. The next tip that I could share to you, mga kabudgetarian, to be able to get these luxury bags on a budget is, I just recently discovered this one. I was really surprised. Is I'm still at chanel.com, and what I did was I typed in makeup bags, and when I typed in the makeup bags, these very beautiful pouches appeared on my screen. And look at the price, guys. Like for example, the classic mini pouch just for 550 US. So let's go and check what else we could see. Just look at these prices, guys. It's very affordable. Like the Boy Chanel large pouch for 1,400 US dollars. I really love this one. The Chanel 19 pouch with handle, just $1,900. So it's more of the pouches of Chanel when you type in. The reason, just to share why I'm typing in the makeup pouches, because I've just recently discovered that if for example you're going to purchase a luxury bags with any of these brands, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, or Dior, try to check their toiletry pouch or their vanity kits, if for example, or the SLGs, because if they're under these umbrellas, their prices are not as, you know, pricey compared to, like what I mentioned earlier, their classic bags. Like for example, here, the Louis Vuitton Nice bag, as like what I've mentioned. If you haven't seen the video of this one, I've done an unboxing video of this beautiful Nice bag, and the price of, I'm going to link it up here and put it on the description box. The price of this one is just 51,000 pesos, or roughly 1,000 US dollars. So with any bags that you would be purchasing under the vanity or the toiletry or the makeup pouches, the prices are not as heavy compared to the regular price bags. We are still under the category of makeup bags at chanel.com, and look what I found under that category. This very beautiful classic vanity pouch from Chanel, and the price is only 2,000 US dollars. I feel that this bag is a lot bigger compared to the very first vanity bags that I've chosen earlier. So here are the dimensions. So let us double check how beautiful this bag is. Oh my god, look at the inside, guys. The inside looks really good. The Chanel logo is on top. It comes with the leather top handle, and like what I've mentioned, although yes, this doesn't come with a shoulder strap. Right now you could buy separately from different online shopping stores the D-ring, so that you would be able to use it as a provision to be able to add shoulder strap for these kinds of vanity pouch without shoulder strap. This one, guys, this one definitely I'm adding to my wish list. So now let's move on to Dior.com. I saw this one under the small leather goods of Dior. Is the Dior saddle pouch, priced at $21.50 US dollars. So this one, I feel for me, is more of my style versus the vanity kit of Dior, because to be honest, me as a collector, I'm not really a fan of the embroidery material of Dior, because for me, I would always prefer, you know, an actual or a genuine leather material, because again, of the longevity of the bag. So this one, why I really love this bag is because the black green cap skin material, the front D syrup magnetic clasp, 6 card slots, 3 patch pockets, 1 zip pockets, and removable and adjustable shoulder strap, and it is made in Italy. The next on the Dior website is the Dior double pouch. Even this one, again, I fell in love. The price is $24.50. Super nice. Again, the material is genuine black goat skin, 2 large compartments, removable and adjustable leather shoulder strap. The same with the first saddle pouch, but this one it's a saddle double pouch. So I feel with the name you'll be able to fit in more compared to the first one. That's why it's priced at $24.50. I super love the material. The material, it's grain goat skin, as mentioned earlier, and I feel this type of leather would not scratch easily, and it would last you. It could be a forever bag. So I don't have a Dior bag yet on my collection, and definitely this the 2 bags, the Dior saddle pouch and this Dior double saddle pouch, definitely would be added on my wish list. Last for the Dior, so this one, guys, you could go to the men's section if they have one, because with Chanel, of course, definitely they don't have a men's section currently. So with the Dior.com, I went to the I went to the men's section and typed in small leather goods, and this is what I found. Or actually, there's no small leather goods. Apologies, there's no small leather goods on the Dior website. So upon checking on this one, I just scrolled down. So what you would be seeing, of course, are the saddle bags, and you are going to see the prices. And as you scroll further down, then that's where you would see the small leather goods, such as this messenger pouch, price at either $13.50 US or $15.50 US. Then there are also the small pouches for the men's bag. So we have the pouch with shoulder strap. So you look at the prices, guys, $15.50. Then there's the $8.80 for pouch. This one I love, the mini saddle messenger bag for $21.50. So it comes with the Dior oblique and the genuine leather. Then of course the roller messenger bag. So this one I've tried at the actual store of Dior. So let me post it here, a video, and if you haven't watched that, I'm going to link it up here and put the description box below. So how do you like our selection so far with Chanel and Dior? Definitely I've shown you a lot. And now let's move on to the third wonderful and awesome brand, which is the Louis Vuitton. So now, firstly, I went to us.louisvuitton.com and went to the women's section and typed in all small leather goods. So now let's see what we could find here. So upon typing this one, we are going to see immediately the By the Pool collection of Louis Vuitton. So with the By the Pool collection, I would just like to make mention, I've done a separate online shopping review. I'm going to link it up here and put it in the description box if you haven't seen that one. So with this small leather goods, we are going to see the Petite Sac Flat at $18.20 US. Sorry guys. Then we have the Trio pouch. Then of course the Félicie Pochette at $15.30. So I'm not going to do an in-depth on these ones because I've already done that on that separate vlog. So that's why I'm highly recommending. Kindly do check it out as well. So I think what caught my attention under the small leather goods, aside from the By the Pool collection, is this bag that I would be showing you guys that's being worn by the model. It's called the Easy Pouch on Strap. So this one, the Easy Pouch on Strap, I haven't seen this one yet in person when we went to Louis Vuitton a couple of months back. It's priced at $1,590 US dollars and comes in 3 different colors. It comes in pink, the black, and the baby blue. And of course the cream. So there are 4 colors. I want to take a look at the Easy Pouch on Strap because it really looks nice. there. So I'm going in. So the first one, the color of this one is like a light pink, or apologies, it's rose ballerine. That's the color. So it's an easy pouch on strap. That's the code number. And on the US Louis Vuitton website, currently it's in stock. So again, price is $15.90. The material is epi leather. So with epi leather, I already have. So actually, I love the epi leather material of Louis Vuitton because I feel it's, you know, a good kind of leather material that's not very easily scratchable, or it actually maintains its shape. And I feel that whenever I'm carrying my epi leather bag, it's like I don't need to baby that bag whenever, you know, I have that bag for the still at louisvuitton.com. Small leather goods section is the double zip pochette. So this one, the double zip pochette. So I've tried this one twice on different branches. So first one, I tried the double zip pochette with the giant logo at Soler. So I'm going to post a little bit of video here, but I'm going to put also the link above just in case you haven't watched our shopping vlog at Louis Vuitton Soler. So this one, the double zip pochette, it's priced at $1,300. Let's take a closer look. Honestly, when I saw this one, I immediately fell in love. So the last one under Louis Vuitton, I believe I typed in toiletry on the search option. So that's also one tip that I could share to you guys. So this one, what I'm really eyeing with Louis Vuitton selection is the toiletry pouches. And of course, we have the niece bag. So we already have the niece, but definitely I would still want to get the nano size, or the next size bigger to our mini niece to add to my collection, or maybe an epi leather version. But definitely also I would want to get this, the toiletry pouch. So now I'm looking at the epi leather version of our niece mini toiletry pouch. So of course, definitely the size would be the same. The leather would just be different, would be epi leather, and you would see the price, it's just $12.50 US. Honestly, here in the Philippines, or maybe I just missed this one out, the epi leather, but definitely if I would be seeing the epi leather version of the niece bag, definitely I would want to order that to be added to my Louis Vuitton collection. Yay! Hopefully, mga ka-budgetarian, you like our vlog episode today, and you were able to, you know, add a couple of bags to your wish list. And of course, the most important is we are not breaking back, or that we are shopping on a budget. Alright, so before we end this vlog episode for today, we are going to do the comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Life with Shantoria. So she commented, amazing vlog, in that I have a new friend in her. So thank you so much, Shantoria, for leaving this super awesome comment, and definitely super happy to have you as a new friend here. Alright, mga ka-budgetarian, so if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm inviting you to do so, and please hit that notification bell and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramir5, so you are going to get daily updates coming from me. Mga ka-budgetarian, again, super thank you for staying with me on this vlog episode. I do wish that you always stay safe and healthy all the time, and I will see you on our next vlog episode. Bye!